Return again, my forces, late dismayed, unto the siege by you abandoned quite. Great shame it is to leave like one afraid so fair a peace for one repulse so light. Gainst such strong castles needeth greater might than those small forts which ye were wont belay. Such haughty minds, enur'd to hardy fight, disdain to yield unto the first assay. Bring, therefore, all the forces that ye may, and lay incessant battery to her heart. Playnts, prayers, vows, ruth, sorrow, and dismay, those engines can the proudest love convert. And if those fail, fall down and die before her. So dying live, and living do adore her.